Greetings everyone, I have a great product to review for all of you, and that is the Body Shop's Aloe. So the Body Shop's Aloe is pretty cool because unlike a lot of companies that have aloe that they claim it's all natural, has a lot of additives in it, or the texture isn't always good, because one of the things you'll learn if you ever have gotten into the components of making your own homemade products at home is that aloe is one of the tough ones. It's really best to get it from the health food store, like the long leaf, cut it open and then put it on your face. But maybe if you live in an area, I don't know, like Alaska or something, where aloe is not readily available or might be too expensive to get a full leaf. I know that Whole Foods carries it. You want to use a product that has like an aloe gel. So aloe gel is one of the products that are used as like a base, something that's very healing for all kinds of skin types. There, to my knowledge, is no skin type that you should not use aloe on. It's one of those things that is just all across the board a really healing and nourishing wellness ingredient. So this is the Soothing Rescue Cream Mask. It's with pure hand-filtered aloe from Campeche, Mexico. It calms, restores, and nourishes. It's for sensitive skin. They also have a sub-aloe line if you have very sensitive skin. And it claims to soothe discomfort and help build skin's natural defense to irritation. And you want to put a generous layer onto cleansed skin, leave on overnight, use 1 to 2 times per week. This is fragrance-free, colorant-free, preservative-free, and alcohol-free. And if you look on the ingredients, this doesn't have it here. I have to go. Oh yeah, it does. Doesn't include a list here. I'm gonna check online, but I'm pretty sure it's mostly aloe. When you open this up, it smells kind of like nothing, kind of pure, which is really good. It's white in color, and it's like a cream gel. You can leave this on the 10-15 minutes, but you can also leave this on overnight. I have done this and actually like it. When you put it on overnight, put on a nice layer, you'll actually feel where your skin needs it the most, absorbs it in the quickest, and then where your skin is all absorbed and might have a fine layer. When you sleep overnight with this, I've noticed that all of it will absorb into your skin and you're left with a nice layer of just hydrated skin. Doesn't leave a gross layer, really depends on how much you put on. But I've just done a very generous layer and my face felt amazing after. I did notice too that whenever you do a TCA peel, so if you saw my video where I did the TCA 30, I did 5 layers of that product. I didn't explain that in the video, but I had done 5 full layers and my skin was a little sore after. Wasn't too bad, it wasn't burned or anything. You put a fine layer of the aloe on after, and it is so nice and so calm and relaxing, because one of the parts of caring for a TCA is you want to put like an Aquaphor on your face. Some people put Vaseline. I actually prefer to do this, and I felt nothing but great results from doing that. So I'm going to take my Body Shop's brush, take a nice fine layer, and I'm just going to smooth it right across. It goes on very nicely. If you do not have the time to use this, or you don't have this, try using the sheet mask, which I also reviewed. That is another good product you can use just about anywhere, whether you're on a plane or train, long road trip. It's just an all-around great product, and it is so creamy and so cooling, and it feels nice. I use it after I shave. It's really good for almost like an aftershave treatment. So if your skin is ever inflamed after shaving, use this. I do not have sensitive skin. In fact, my skin is very resilient, and in the words of my awesome friend who is an esthetician, she has never seen skin like mine in a long time. You can just get this everywhere. You can even put this on your lips if you want to, because it is so healing. You can even use this after a sunburn too. There's just so many uses for aloe because it's such a healing product. Acne-prone skin can benefit from this because aloe has natural antibacterial properties. But I would even say if you have really bad acne, go for the giant leaf and cut it open and use it fresh, because that will help it even more. You can probably see this is starting to absorb in a little bit. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and I'm going to come back just to finish this off. It's a great product. It feels so soothing. It doesn't have any irritation factors to it. It's just a pure all-around great product that is well designed. So I'll see you guys soon in a little bit. So this is not even washed off yet. Look how much of this product absorbed in. There's only a few little white spots here. If you just take your fingers and massage them in, they go right in. It's such a great product. It's so lightweight and it goes on heavy, but your skin sucks it right in. This is literal hydration for your skin. You can combine this mask in so many ways. You can mix it with any of the seaweed masks. I would say even the expert facial masks, put it in different areas. You can prep your skin with this, heal a sunburn with it. This cream is even really good for tattoos. So for example, I just got inked, if you guys have been keeping up on my Instagram page. And what I'll do is, I did not have the Aquaphor the one time, and if you don't have that, and this wasn't this tattoo, it was the one on my half sleeve on the upper one. If you take that and you put it on the tattoo until you can get the proper tattoo goo or the Aquaphor, that is a-okay. You do not want to use anything else because aloe or Aquaphor or tattoo goo, they're all really healing salves for the tattoo to keep it hydrated and moisturized because you're healing your skin with this ingredient. Skin feels super soft. I'm gonna go rinse this off and I'll come right back. Okay, so I am back, and this mask rinses off so easily. It's actually interesting, because when you put water on it, it kind of turns white, because the mask puts like a gentle layer of film on that keeps your skin hydrated. So it came off easily with just a warm washcloth. Great product, really easy to use. It's not too expensive. This was actually a lot cheaper than one of the expert facial masks. So if you are short for money and you want something that's relatively affordable, definitely go this route. If you're looking for something for a very sensitive skin or something that's like a do no harm, more youthful skin that you're worried about putting on some stronger wellness actives, this is the way to go. You can't fail with aloe. It's just like the general good for everyone, especially sensitive skin, rosacea skin, older skin, young skin, and everything in between. I love aloe personally. I grow it at home. It's a really good herb to use externally. So you can use it for a wide range of problems. Internally, if you not this product obviously, but if you eat aloe, it's good for your body. It actually will help get rid of ulcers because it's a natural antibiotic. So it is super healing with microbes that are bad for you. So I rate this product a 5 out of 5. A great product. Does what it's supposed to do. Super nice, great for a chemical peel regimen, even after a facial laser, put it on to hydrate and soothe. Just a great product all in general. Let me know down below if you've used the Soothing Aloe Cream Mask, the sheet mask, or any of the aloe products from the Body Shop. I'd like to hear your own testimony on it. I liked it. I find that it's really easy to use and foolproof. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions regarding the Body Shop, also comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon for more skincare product reviews. So I'll see you guys soon, and have a wonderful February and a very happy Valentine's Day.